Hello, everyone. Today's topic is recognize the nature of existence and ease into self-realization, recognizing or realizing the true nature of what is nature of existence. Existence is twofold. There is this human existence we experience, and there is also pure existence, original existence, that contains and supports the human existence. They're different, very different. Pure existence is all absorbing, spreads everywhere, contains everything. It's boundless, without a center, shape or form, color or anything else that we can sense with our human senses. Completely free of all limitations. And when this pure existence engages with the mental concepts, fixates on them, identifies with them, then we get this human existence and the idea of I and self that is limited to this I or self, centered inside this self, centered inside a certain human form, and perceives everything through this human form. All this come to be through processing the pure existence through the mental concepts, or attaching to the thoughts, engaging, fixating on the thoughts. We get this human existence that is so different, so limited. It's got a start, it's got the end. It's limited to the laws of physical existence. It's limited to the laws of karma. But you see, these both levels of existence, if you want, exist simultaneously, are here at the same time. What we need to do in our everyday life is connect the two experiences. The experience on a human level of human existence, and experience on the level of pure existence, which we can access by practicing, not attaching to the thoughts, disengaging from the thoughts, just allowing the thoughts to flow through completely freely. You see, this pure existence is all absorbing, all containing, and all knowing. Nothing can escape it. It's always aware of everything. Absolutely everything, all knowing. And when we rest with this pure existence, everything, we understand everything. We understand what is. We understand all the levels of existence, including the human existence, completely. But when we're experiencing only the human existence, when we are only limited to engagement with the thoughts, and when we're really just engaging with the mental concepts and experiencing the human existence solely, without connection or experience of the pure existence at the same time, we're getting these fluctuations, we're getting these limitations, we're getting this negative experience, we're getting these starts and ends, sorrow, and everything else that comes with it. We have to connect both experiences and have them all at the same time. The pure existence is all absorbing, all containing, the basic existence. This is so important that we connect with it, that we experience it, that we can reach it at any time And we learn that. It's a skill. It is no mystical thing. It is a skill that we learn by practicing. And maybe also tinkering a little bit with the environment and activities on the human level. But it's so very important that we stay in touch with it, that we somehow connect these two levels of existence and understand at any time that the human existence is really only just a surface activity of the pure existence process for the thoughts, and expand our experience on a human existence, on a level of human existence, by connecting whenever we can, practicing whenever we can, resting with the pure existence, and then prolonging these periods when we rest with the pure existence, just by practicing. Staying still in silence, practicing non-engagement with the thoughts. And then whatever we do, while we're still connected with the physical body in human existence, we stay connected with the pure existence at all times. We are always aware at all times that human existence is not the only level of existence, that it is supported and contained by the pure existence, which is the basic, the one that we really need to pay attention to. And this is really this process of self-realization, realizing the nature of existence that is not limited to the human existence. Just the opposite, the human existence is just a little sideshow of the pure existence. And understanding that pure existence, it is not a mystical thing. It is something that we reach through practice, through non-engagement with the thoughts. We also reach it without even knowing it, just by maybe sometimes listening to some music, especially music without words that we understand, getting absorbed in it, without thoughts, without engagement with the thoughts, or any other activity that does not have engagement with the thoughts, but has the presence. We are present, but not engaging with the thoughts. We are touching pure existence. We're also touching pure existence when we practice yoga, especially yin yoga, where we hold body still in certain yoga poses for extended periods of time. We focus on the breathing, the same as with the practice of no thinking or disengagement from the thoughts. And we turn our attention inside when the body is still. We touch pure existence then too. It is just a matter of prolonging and understanding the nature of existence, that the human existence is not the only existence, and it is just really the most limited level of existence, because it's limited to the physical environment by the physical laws and the laws of karma. So forget about all these mystical attachments to the idea of self-realization or connecting with the pure existence and so on. It's nothing really mystical about it. Practice, understand the nature of existence, human and pure, especially the nature of pure existence, and connect with it, stay connected with it at all times. It's a wonderful experience. All the thoughts are freely coming through without engagement, but at the same time observing and noticing everything. Thank you. Take care.